Yeah, they beat me like a scrub. I couldn't shake his hand, I ain't know where it was. I trained non-stop so I could try to power up. Step to these dudes like, now what's up? Take down, tech fall, how you like me now? I was a problem with no solution. You step across from me, you was definitely losing. Overconfident and smug as heck, until the Lord snatched me up by my neck. I got saved, changed my ways, and set my heart to train through the pain. Not train until it hurts, push until I bleed. If I drop dead, then I'm spawned with the king.
Push until I bleed.